What's up, boys? We're back again. And this time, we're more locked than ever. Fucking hear me? Watch a little recap on the strategy from Tyler Riches. And it's the same shit that I've been doing. So that's fine. I came to the conclusion that it's these 5 questions. Okay? I'm going to ask myself these every single time I'm taking trades. So, do I have a clear higher time frame directional bias? Has liquidity been taken in that direction's favor? Is there a clear displacement away from the sweep? Am I entering before the main draw has been reached? Is the market trending rather than chopping? And I'm fucking profitable. Watch this shit, boys. Okay. Higher time frame. We're bullish, obviously. We're so bullish. We just came off of this swing high. But what are we trending towards? We're trending towards these. So, do I have a clear high time directional bias? Yes, I'm bullish. What to keep in mind here? We have a bearish SMT. Has liquidity been taken in the direction's favor? No, we have these highs above. I'm disregarding the SMT because I'm bullish. So, we'll come down. I want to see these lows get taken. London lows would be ideal. Okay, we took London lows here. Now, picture perfect, perfect. Okay, now we need to see the, okay, we took we took the high, the internal high. We took the internal high, and then this next draw pretty damn far away. So, dude. Okay, I guess I'll just leave this up until I take a trade. So we swept the high. Are we going to reverse off of it and want to trend higher? Is the bigger question. Okay, it doesn't look like we're respecting liquidity. We didn't get a 5-minute change in order flow yet, but we priced in a 5-minute high. Are we going to get a retrace? So we got a break to the downside on S&P. And do we get a break back to the upside? Not yet. So market's starting to chop, which is an fucking big no. A big no. Big no. Now, what do we get? We got a break to the downside on both indexes. Are we going to break back to the upside? So, we got an inverse of the gap on the DAC, or on ES, and then we got a break. This looks really good. I'm going in or long, I think. Let's go. Do I have a clear higher time frame directional bias? Yes. And what does that align with? It aligns with an SMT off London lows. Then, did we change order flow on the 5 minutes? So the 5 minutes are not aligned yet. However, we priced in the 5-minute high, retraced into that move, and then broke out of it on both indexes on the 1 minute, with NAS maintaining a clear direction. Is there clear displacement away from the sweep? That's what I was just talking about. We priced in the 5-minute high. Banger. Am I entering before the main draw has already been reached? I mean, this looks like the main draw to me. So no. Is the market currently trending rather than chopping? We have a little bit of chop here. But we just saw displacement away. It's not too late. I think this setup is golden. Okay, we got stopped. We already broke 5-minute structure there. This could just be a sweep of this low to continue higher, and we just filled a 15-minute gap. I'm still bullish here. We inverted that one back to the upside on both, dude. We'll wait a little bit, but I think this could be an easy ass re-entry. Broke back to the upside there. So, but market's chopping now. I can't take this. That was a great setup. I'm not going to lie. I would take that 10 out of 10 times. Does market deliver to our draw? No, we dump. Okay, what did we do wrong? let's see. So I'd say that's a great setup. I'm not even gonna lie. I think that was a great setup. Only issue was we had draws here that I did not mark out. Still though, let's see what TJR did here. Just gonna watch his recaps whenever I lose, see what could have been done better, what would have been done worse. Commercial. Okay. He won today.
All right, guys, let's get into it. Stays low. So what I'm thinking will probably happen is NASDAQ will rip up, take out this high, maybe even this high, and that will cause ES to come up and fill this gap, and then give us the short entries that we want.
That was, yeah, okay. So, jeez, man. Disregarded the bearish SMT, really. That's what it came down to. Disregarded the bearish SMT and the gaps. So, what did I do wrong? We held a 15-minute gap, whatever, blah, 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 blah. Dude. Okay, well, where this candle closed, we never came down and filled the 4-hour gap, so higher time frame wise, yeah, we were bullish, but we needed to rebalance, and that SMT should have been confirmation that we wanted to rebalance. Nope. There we go. Quite unfortunate. Thought the higher time frame bias meant a lot more in that situation. See, I'm like ass at this shit, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're filling the 4-hour gap. We swept out previous day lows. Are we reversing off of it? Yes, we broke outwardly structured at the upside. Bullish trend on the higher time frame. This looks like a great rebalance into a 4-hour gap. I think we have a lot of potential to move higher here. So, yeah. Okay, market's opening lower, making a bullish SMT off of all these lows. With a bullish bias. No great draws to the downside. Let's wait for some sort of 5-minute confirmation. Okay, we're dumping, so 5-minute fill, 1-minute break. It just sucks. It's weird how we're an hourly bullish there. And we didn't really look at this. We're trending lower for show. But we still have this SMT here. I need to pay attention. Wait for the 5-minute confirmation. And then we also have this SMT off of these highs here. I really just don't like any of the setups that are presenting itself. You know, we're maintaining bearish everywhere. It's just market's low-key chopped. I'm not gonna trade today. Let's see if Tyler traded.
Alright, guys.
November 10th. What the fuck?
Alright, guys. Alright, folks.
Okay, so this is the next day. Took a trade. I'm pretty pressed about that first trade because it was whatever index you wanted to look at, and I didn't wait for the 5 minutes to align, so that was actually the main issue. Here we go. Swept out all these lows. Potentially starting a reversal, but we came pretty far down. We're in a 4-hour gap, so we'll just have to pay attention. The draws are much more achievable to the downside, I think. Market opens higher with Asia highs and previous day highs above. Okay, so could have gone either direction. Market's opening super bullish. We're gonna align on the 5 minutes. Let's get a 5-minute retrace. Beautiful. Oh, that is a crazy ass retrace. So market's flipping backwards. Filled the EQ. Inverted a 5. No, I flipped. Okay, we're in the 5-minute gap. So now this is game time. Inverted the 1 here, didn't here. Okay, now we inversed. But with all these lows to the downside, after inverting 5, sweeping liquidity, going to enter, hopefully we can just slam all these take profits. Maybe potential. Nah. I mean, this is bar for bar strategies wise, so. And I think we would need a manipulation if we wanted to continue higher regardless. I didn't go through my fucking checklist, dude. Wait. Oh my god. I'm taking that trade back. I didn't even fucking... I need it. Oh my god. I did that shit blindly. I'm taking it back. I don't give a fuck. Just cancel me. I don't care. Because I didn't even realize that we took all these lows out. That I was trying to target on the S&P. I'm such an idiot. I didn't even look at ass crack. And I'm just going to the next day. Literally, that could have been picture perfect for long, so I'm not even lying. What am I fucking doing, dude? That's so... why am I not paying attention, dude? I feel like I've gotten so, just used to fucking spamming through backtesting. I'm pissed at myself right now, actually. Higher time frames bullish. Probably just gonna stay at all-time highs. Okay, we're dumping. Great. I mean, the higher time frame's bullish. Right now we're in 5-minute bearish. Let's see if we get a retrace. Okay, we're taking out the lows immediately. Took out all the lows. Took out all these lows. Filled that hourly gap. Filled an hourly gap. We got to see a reversal on the 5-minute though. So we're not getting that, and we just inverted back to the downside. I mean, I think I'm just gonna take this for what it is. If we're not gonna change order flow on the 5-minute, why wouldn't I just enter short here? You know? Nice crack with Asia lows below. Just take it for a 1-to-1. Or wherever this lower, yeah, whatever. I'm genuinely confused again. So further away. ES just looks like it wants to rip straight down. And then we got a 1-minute SMT. I'm gonna re-enter here. Or wait, did we get a 1-minute SMT? There, yeah, I mean. Well, ES is actually leading here now. Just deliver, please. Thank you. Oh my gosh. What would the fuck? What the fuck? Traded exact strategy twice. Price is just failing to deliver lower. What the fuck, dude? And I'm not looking at my checklist, bro. Keep forgetting about that shit. Oh, I'm so pissed at myself right now. I'm going to the bathroom. You know what? As I was taking my piss, I realized I traded the first one. Did market have enough liquidity to get there? No. I wanted to fill the 5-minute gap. Jeez, dude. It's like these basic ass things that I know. Yo, where's my fucking... Whatever, I'm just pulling it up on my phone. It's probably easier. Okay. Do I have a clear higher time frame bias? Yeah, we're bullish on the higher time. Okay. Higher time frames bullish, lower time frames bearish. We actually know higher time frames actually bearish. We broke the hourly structure. The 4 hours is the only thing that's bearish. Market opens, we come up. We don't have significant draws to the upside. We took highs, filling 30-minute gaps. Or filling an hourly gap, I should say. I'm going to really just pay attention how this 5-minute works out. So we're printing straight bullish. We took orders to the downside here, making a bullish SMT. Let's see what price wants to do here. I mean, if we're gonna, I'm just gonna take this then up to this high. It's because of the 4 hours bullish. What did we do? We came down. We're super far in that gap. ES took these lows. We're still in bullish order flow at this point, and then we just inverted. Well, this is just such a poor RR. I don't think I can take it. Like, this would be the trade. 0.45. Yeah, no way in hell. No other draws to the upside. I mean, I could take. Yeah, that's still not worth it. Okay, let's see if we get a reversal to the downside here, but now the higher time frame's not really playing out in my favor anymore. But we are holding the gap. We just start changing order flow a bit. Okay, we just took out London lows. Jeez, dude. Sucks. Sucks, man. You know, we changed order flow on the 5. Filling a 5-minute gap. Dude, we broke back to the upside on the 1 minute. Now we're low-key chopping. Not a strong break. But are we holding? We're holding the 5 here. ES looks super bearish. Our main objective is actually that hourly low. I'm gonna take this. Filled a 5-minute gap. We have enough orders. NQ came up a lot. We have this high time frame bearish SMT, and we ended up holding that hourly gap. Dude, everything's actually aligning perfectly. Can run wide stops on this as well. I didn't go through the checklist again. Did I have a clear high time frame directional bias? Yes. Has liquidity been taken in that direction's favor? Yeah, we took London lows just there. Is there clear displacement away from the sweep? Yes, there was, but we just took a draw. Am I entering before the main draw has already been reached? Yes. Or I'm entering after, no. Is the market currently? Yeah, that was not good. So, we only had 2 out of the steps. Main draw. London, lows got it. Price did take liquidity. There was a clear high time frame bias. Main draw had already been reached, and market was no longer trending. Another pissy ass day from the GOAT. Man, trading's so hard. What?
Are you looking at my soft closed drawer stuff that you're gonna install?
No. Fucking pissed. Bearish SMT. Potentially. Both in 5-minute bearish. London lows below. And Asia lows below. Higher time frame is bullish though. But if we're gonna reverse on the 5-minute like this. I mean, dude, we didn't get enough of a pullback here. We never broke to the upside. We did inverse the gap, but cannot take this. And we took our draw. So let's reevaluate. Is this going to be a retrace? Or is it going to be now market's chopping with, yeah, I'm not taking a trade that day. Okay, what do we see? Market just took swing highs. Are we gonna reverse off them? Doesn't appear so at the moment. Just really pay attention to this 5 minute. Although right now, 30-minute gap, 15-minute gap. I mean, we have enough order. We have highs above. We're still in bullish order flow. Just took out a swing low. Did we break to the downside ever? No. And there's our risk to reward out the fucking drain. Because, yeah, I could enter this, but look at how bad the R is. Piss fucking poor. Unless we're seeing a tap into a gap at which I'll hammer this in. So, do I have a clear high time frame directional bias? Yes. Hourly, everything's bullish. Everything's aligning bullish. Everything. Bullish everywhere. Then, has liquidity been taken in that direction's favor? Did we take the highs? Yet. And the internal highs? No. The higher time frame highs? Yes. However, does market have enough fuel to get to the next high? I'd say yes, because we filled a 30-minute gap. We came down, made a 5-minute SMT while maintaining bullish order flow, and broke back to the upside. Am I entering before the main draw has already been reached? I guess you could say this is the main draw. Is the market currently trending rather than shopping? I'd say it's pretty trendy in displacement leg. Do we have draws to the downside that are more achievable? Not necessarily. I'm going to go ahead and hammer longs here. If I lose again, I'm going to crash out. Actually, no. I'm not going to enter longs. We have a huge SMT and 1 minute fair value gap. Not confident in that. Although we just inversed. Still, nope. Thankfully, I didn't enter that. Jeez. Okay, I mean, now the 5-minute changed order flow in both indexes. Rejection out of the 5-minute gap. Immediate inversion there. Can't take these yet. Filling a 1-minute gap. Inverse that. Still didn't break there. Break. Beautiful. Now this I'm confident in. 5 minutes are aligned. fill the gap on, yo, yeah, fill the gap there. Got the break, got the inverse. Bam, bam, bam. We do have this 30-minute gap that doesn't align. Whatever, dude. I'll just target some of this shit. Extendo TP lower. Okay, so now that we confirm that we're going to reverse off of all these by reversing on the 5-minute, yes. Do we fill a 5-minute gap? Yes. Is market trending a little chop? Am I entering after the main draw has already been reached? I mean, there's not really a swing low in this move, so not really. Let's just see if it plays out now. Okay. Break even. Thank you. Jeez. That's the type of shit I need to be careful of, dude. We had a 5-minute SMT after taking all the high time draws, and that is actually the main thing. Thankfully, I waited. We took all swing highs to the upside. So I waited, got 5 minutes. That's the shit I need to execute on, like learn. Nah, I can't take that trade.
Alright, folks. On right now.
I dare you to let me build you a completely free e-commerce store.
This is a good time frame that we want to be in to be able to be looking for shorts. I still would like a 5-minute SMT.
Took him way up here because he was looking for shorts much earlier. We filled that equilibrium, made the SMT, and that would have been much easier. I just didn't have that bias by then. I need to stop just looking at the higher time frame and start zooming out, looking at what we have resting beneath us, blah 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 blah, you know. I want to see his bias here. Why was he
looking to take shorts? Then we should be golden. I didn't trade yesterday. If you guys haven't watched that, it's the most recent long form educational video that I posted. It's really good, in depth. Like right now, ES is leading. If ES can take out these highs while NASDAQ stays underneath them, I think that's just gorgeous for shorts. Or we could go in the opposite direction and we could come down and we can go ahead and take out these 5-minute lows, or honestly it would probably be best if we were taking out these lows down here. That would be,
because you wanted to see, maybe I should stop looking at gaps and look more at the draws, because he was just waiting for a draw to get manipulated. That's what he was talking about in his strategy video as well. So we're range bound, so we're gonna look at what market's giving us. So we're opposite. I'm gonna wait for the 5 minutes to align. Inverted there. Draws the upside. Well, don't really got much. We have a couple 5-minute highs that'll mark out. 5-minute high, 5-minute high. Then we'll go 30. High here and high here. So we are in the midst of a 4-hour gaps, but we were range bound on the hourly, and then we're finally breaking out of this while making a bullish SMT off of these slow. Here, we're inverted, getting a retrace. Did we break to the downside? No. Hopefully we do. see, that sucks. Well, we broke there, and then did we make an SMT of sorts? Yeah, we actually did. We broke right back to the upside. Main draw still intact. Bit overextended. I'm not taking this, but okay, we broke back to the downside, but filled the gap. This is just a tough position to be in, you know? I'm not going to take anything. It's late. Market's more choppy, but longs look great. Okay. Good thing I didn't take anything. Did he trade that day? Wait, I want to... I go full screen. How do I go to the next video?
Better, in my opinion.
I saved enough to take my mom on a cruise.
Dude, what? Where are these? 9... Okay, it's over here somewhere. It's one of these. This one. It's the next one.
Alright.
October 8th. So he did take a trade today. Nope. Yeah, he did. What? Yeah, he did.
Let's get into this. So, 100 is because the S&P 500 could have gone lower, could have taken for us to hit. So we'll just kind of
So
stay
yeah,
on here.
there at like 9 something. I'm gonna go the 1 minute, check it out. I think I just was a little bit scared to enter there. So like over here, yeah. So oh yeah, no, like 10 exactly. So you have this little down candle he entered on this one right here. Why? Well, let's break it down. We got, well, maybe he entered on this one and got a better fill because that's where ES broke. So after making this little 5-minute retrace or into the gap and then closure back, and then stops are at this low. Yeah, that makes sense though. We poked into the 1 minute gap and then we finally broke out. We didn't even break structure. Let me just see what he says. He took that off of.
Trade entry because ES was still down here and didn't give us confirmation to the upside yet.
Oh, it's because we inverted that gap on ES here. Yeah. Yep. Okay, that makes sense because we inverted the 1 minute to the downside, then we inverted. Yeah. Okay. I'm learning. I just wanna throw my phone away. It's 11. Yeah, I got a long ass time before work. Except for me, this is a part of me that you're never gonna ever take. Okay, 4-hour bearish. Shopping on the 5. Yeah, we're just gonna pay attention to 5 again. This is one of those things. So we're printing pretty bullish. This is our only draw. Main draw just got taken. Are we gonna reverse off if it is the main question and make an SMT? Doesn't look like it. Okay, so we inverted the 5, but we have another 5-minute gap below, so gotta pay a little bit of attention to that. We're in this 5-minute gap on ES. This is gonna be determining if we want to come back down right now, then beautiful. We'll trade shorts. If not, okay. This is 10:01, so not even 10 a.m. news. This looks great for shorts. Inverted the 5, retraced an EQ here. 5-hourly SMT and a little bit of overextension. Yeah. $30-minute low below, London lows below. Great draws to the downside. I think this is A+ work. Not gonna cap. Not gonna cap. Let's go through our checklist. Do I have a clear high time frame bias? I mean the fact that we made an SMT and then showed 5-minute confirmation of the downside. Yes. Is the market currently trending? Yes. Am I entering before the main draw has been taken? Not to the downside, no. Is there clear displacement away from the sweep? Exactly, banger. Yeah. Come on. Actually, I remember this day. And TJR took shorts. This was from Trump News. I lost this day because I entered later. Yeah, that's hilarious, dude. I know TJR took this exact same shit as well. I think. Let me see. I wish I could go on his making 35827. Okay. Oh, he traded the knife.
Alright guys, let's jump into this. So, divergence from these highs up to these highs, from these highs up to these highs, and then from these highs down to these highs was what. Let's see if we get the legs we need to go up.
I don't know. I don't even. Yeah, that was picture perfect, dude. You got everything. And I already went over it. I just wanna throw my phone away. You chew me up, you spit me out, but that was then answers now. Now look at me. This is a part of me that you're never gonna ever take away. Sticks and stones. Don't blame my soul. This is a part of me. So, coming into the day. So, let's look. We took out these 4-hour draws. Higher time frame. We have a potential bullish SMT here. The 4-hour is in fact bearish. We came out for that 4-hour gap. Hourly, super bullish. Took out this hourly low. And will we reverse off? It is the main question. It appears that as of right now, I don't know. Just wait for 5-minute conf. Okay, we got the 5-minute confirmation. Broke here. Inverse the 5 here. Let's wait for a retrace now. Because now I'm definitely bullish. We came down, took out all these lows. Then we have a bullish SMT inside of an hourly gap, trending towards this high. Let's wait for a retrace. Get a retrace, please. Do we break? Nope. This sucks. I just wanna throw my phone away. Let's get a retrace, please. Okay. If we inverse here back to the upside on ES, because we inverse to the downside, I'll long it on NQ. Okay. We got the break to the downside. And we didn't have a gap to inverse. Looks a little spooky. A little spooky. I don't like it. It's kind of chopped. We left a 1-minute gap there. Do we have a potential SMT? Okay, we're getting the great pullback of history. Kind of wild. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I just wanna throw my phone away. Now that did we inverse a 5-minute gap? No, we didn't leave a 5-minute gap. You chew me up. Great bullish recovery. Let me look at this shit. I was basing everything off the 5-minute. We have that SMT still. We're still technically in 5-minute bullish. I mean, we don't have enough confirmation just because we came so deep down and now we're inside of a 5-minute gap. Just gonna wait here. Okay, we're getting this 5-minute retrace pullback. Beautiful, into a BPR. Yeah, now we get the 1-minute break to the upside. So that's fucked. Yeah, we're done. I'm done trading for this day. Yeah, no trades there. Monday the 13th. Did Tyler trade? He has so many videos, dude. Holy shit. Okay, I called up JP, already knew that. I married my bias. What is this one? 8 months ago, October 15th. So he didn't trade for a little bit. You chew me up, you spit me out like I wasn't. No. But that was never enough. Now look at me, this is a part of me that you're never gonna ever from me now. Okay, I mean, I cannot see a world where we don't want to come down and smack those lows. Market opens. We didn't manipulate any highs. We swept out that low. I mean, damn. Damn. Okay. There's potential here. We made relative equal lows with a 4-hour low while trending it. Dude, there's no fucking way we don't take those out. We did just take out London lows, which is scary. However, dude, I think we're taking these regardless. Just when we're taking them, that's something that. Okay, actually, this is exactly when we take orders to the upside. So we took all these highs. Fuck. Yeah, alright, dude. It's wraps. Chalk it up, chalk it up, chalk it up, chalk it up. I mean, these lows will get taken no matter what. I'm so confident in that. Like, so fucking confident. Eventually, they'll get taken. And did we take them? No, we made another low. I'm confused. No, we didn't end up taking them. That's insane. Okay, no trades that day. Except for me, this is a part of me. Okay. I mean, direction right now is bullish. What are we doing? We're manipulating lows. Oof. That sucks. We already took the highs here. And we're in bearish here. Actually, we're in bearish on both. And, oh, yo. And we just made an SMT. And we made another SMT. Let's just wait for yes to break. Then we just took this high. And we didn't break or inverse yet. Dude, I just want to hammer the short button right now. Where are our draws? London lows down here. Hourly low, hourly low, Asia low, whatever that is, and this. Made me have great draws to the downside. High time frame bearish SMT here. Confirmed 5 minute never changed back to the upside. Swept out all of these. Failed EQ. Let's wait for that break. Okay, got it. Stops can be put at the body. This is going to be a poor RR, but multiple fucking take profits. Multiple. Hopefully we just hit an absolute dumper. How? I guess we have a bullish SMT there. Oh my god, I'm not looking at my checklist. I think I would have taken that though, regardless. That's like the main shit, dude. Took a trade against the higher time frame buys after we took liquidity.
Alright guys, let's see if this ends up playing out in our favor. Did they just add that? The time that we have to just get in.
Yeah, that's where I just wanted to get in, but I waited for the break. Gotta pull up this checklist on my phone, dude. Market opens. Take these lows. Don't take the lows. We're in bearish here, bullish on the other. I mean, the fact that the time frames are misaligned and we didn't make a bullish SMT there. Yeah, the higher time frame is bullish, but man, that's too hard to take. Unless we break on, nah, I'm not gonna take this though because 5 minutes aren't aligned. Yeah, it looks great, but a bad RR as well. Okay, let's see if we want to get a reversal off this. So we have to see the 5 minute close bearish here. We have London, hourly low, banger, and this would be a huge SMT as well. Filled equilibrium. Alright, market's just chopping. It's doing whatever the fuck it wants right now. Yeah, it's too choppy.
Hey, is this?
No, I've seen that.
Oh.
It's ass.
Hey, did you know you might get a big cash payout?
Man, took these orders, bullish SMT, obvious ass longs. Five minutes aren't aligned, just broke to the downside. Filling an hourly gap though, with Asia highs above, these highs, and then these highs eventually. But if we look here, we actually already took all of them on ES. Nowhere near completing the SMT though. No gap. And a 5 minute and then an easy S break. Let's find draws. So we have this high, this high, this high. Filled an early gap. Higher time frames trending. Don't like how we're not delivering right away. There we go. Assignment from 10 a.m. news. As well. Okay. Okay, let's look at my checklist. 5 minute fill, beautiful, trending bullish time frames aligned. We did take the main draw, but we invalidated the bearish SMT. Continuing to trend. 5 minute fill, 1 minute break and inverse on both. Has liquidity, yes. Clear high time frame buys, yes. Clear displacement away from a sweep. So yeah, we entered 5-minute bullish, yes. Am I entering before the main draw has been reached? Actually, main draw, kind of. Is the market trending? Yeah, because look at this break. I mean, I would take this 10 out of 10 times. Except for me. Like, this way of me backtesting takes so much fucking longer, but... And low-key, my fucking trades... How many weeks have I done? I've done 3 now. I'm gonna do 1 more. Yo. So, our time frame draw pretty far away. Bullish. I mean, let's see where market wants to open. Yeah, fuck this. Fuck this, bro. Inverted the 5 there. It's getting later though. Ah, jeez. Broke 1 minute there. I think this is a good entry, I'm not gonna lie. Although main draw slept out those highs. The only reason I would say it's decent is because the higher time, actually no, we're not bullish on the higher time frame. We just took out these swing highs, but we are trending higher. It just sucks that we took these already, so I'm not gonna take this. Tuesday, October 21st. He traded the 20th.
You were in a car accident up to
And
1
won.
year ago.
Good morning. Let's lock in so we could break structure right here on NASDAQ.
Wait, did I trade yesterday?
This dude in the fucking chat.
No, I didn't.
That is going. TJR didn't post Friday's trade recap. Bruh, we didn't close underneath the 79% extension. It's already 10. Let me just. Alright.
write emails while walking, draft docs while stretching. I respond on Slack all day without touching it.
Make 1,000,000%.
Yeah, this is the day I traded. And it's like the same shit. It's pissing me off how I have to do this bullshit, bro.
Alright, guys.
Actually, this is gonna be my trade if we invert the 5. So yeah, we didn't inverse it there. Filled a 5-minute gap, filled a 5-minute gap. Didn't change order flow on the 5 there. Did we change there? We actually did invert it. I think that's gonna be my entry. That's all I was waiting for. And market's still trending actually. TJR is above. Okay, let's look at the charts. Do I have a clear high time frame directional bias? Fill the 4-hour, 5-minute SMT off this low, 5-minute inverse here, 5-minute fair value gap, 1-minute break on both, and inverse. This can't, actually this is A+. Clear displacement away from the sweep, yeah. We made an SMT, an inverse, and then broke, entering after the main draw has been reached. I wouldn't say so. Is the market trending? Yeah. I mean, it's a little bit chop, but I think this is a good setup. Yeah, dude, that was good. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Waited for 5 minutes. I just wanna throw my phone away.
Getting paid right now to go get some fucking food. Getting paid right now to go get some fucking food.
Okay. Now look at me. This is a part of me that you're never gonna ever take off from me. Yeah. This is a part of me that you never ever take away from me. Yeah. Sticks and stones. So we have all of these stacked highs, all these stacked lows. We took all the stacked lows, making an SMT, and let's wait for the reversal, because if we don't get a reversal, there's no trade. So the thing here is our leading index is more bearish. Our leading index is more bearish. Ooh. Okay. So that's a great sign. Price in the high. Did we inverse? Yeah. Yeah. Bro, this looks perfect. And then we changed order flow and inverted that gap close above the highs. Swing high, bam. London high, bam, bam, bam. Yeah, dude, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ice water turn Atlantic. Bang. Okay, let's look. Clear displacement away from the sweep, yes. Has liquidity been taken in the direction's favor? No. We do have a 5-minute high, but is the market trending? Obviously. Entering before the main draw has been reached? No. Do I have a clear high time frame directional bias? Yeah. Because we have the S&T, we swept out all the lows, and yeah, dude, I'm so confident in this shit. Okay, we just got fucked. We got fucked. And yep, and I know exactly why. It's because we took these highs right here, made an S&T, and that's what I should have fucking knew. That's so unfortunate. Yeah, just those 5-minute highs, I'm not gonna lie. It was a good trade. But those 5-minute highs was the thing we ended up watching to this off. It sucks. That just sucks because I hate this shit, dude. How do I? Maybe if I go here. If I skip to the end.
To Leo, skipping the buy one, get one means losing 50% of his savings potential.
Navon, the #1 rated.
Alright guys, let's get into it. I'm starting this recording. Alright.
I need a cup of coffee, I need a cup of coffee, I'm yet to like get a super A+ setup. So I got London lows, higher time frame, bullish S&T. We're not bullish on the hourly. Let's pay attention to the 5-er. So we're about to take our draw with no retrace. Thank you. I love this game. I love it. And we're just continuing to rip. Getting that retrace pullback and then no inverse or break. Pulling back even harder. Inverted there. Super bullish. Already took that 30-minute. I mean, there's just not any great draws. We're bid over extension, extended. I don't like it. Okay, now we can trade back up to the internal high. I like that. Let's get a 1-minute continuation confluence. Which do we already get? We got a 1-minute SMT, 1-minute break and inverse. I mean, filled the 15-minute. So did price come down enough to fill orders? Yeah. And then what did we get out of it? We got a 1-minute SMT here, and then we got an inverse and break on both. Close to these highs, that's why I target them. We didn't change 5-minute order flow, but this is like a 1-minute little strat here. I'm gonna enter. Okay, wait. Higher time frame buys. Yes. Has liquidity been taken in direction's favor? Yes. So that's an ant. Is there clear displacement away from the fill of the 15-minute? Yeah, it looks like it. Is the market trending? Yes. Am I entering before the main draw? So it's a 3 out of 5, so it's riskier. Okay, bang. Riskier trade there. Riskier trade there. Higher hit bullish. Already took high time frame draws. That's inside of a 15-minute gap. Price made a 1-minute SMT and then we confirm order flow shifting away up eyes in the sky. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 and 4. Win rate's good for now. So this is a CPI day, so I'm not really looking to trade it. I don't really need to mark out the sessions. Do we have any? Nah, we're just straight bullish. Okay, actually, this could be the easiest fucking day of my life. SMT, 1-minute inverse. Dude, like, you could just enter right now. Targeting data highs. But I would have to confirm orders are shifting away, so we'll wait for a 1-minute continuation, which we might not get it. Okay. I just wanna throw my phone away. So you got a 1-minute SMT there. Let's come down, please. Okay. Filling this 5-minute gap. And oh, we already took data highs there. And we made a 5-minute bearish SMT. And we're about to inverse. Yeah. We already inversed, actually. Nah, this looks like dick to trade higher. It's a CPI day. Yeah, that's gay. You chew me up, you spit me out. It smells like elementary school outside. The cafeteria in elementary school. Brings back memories. SMT off London highs gives the potential for price to reverse. I just have to see here. Wait. If we want to change order flow on the 5, that should be free shorts. Okay, market's chopping on the 1. We don't really know where we want to go. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Okay. So that's a wrap on that. He actually did trade today, but I don't see anything. We already took the draw. Guess you could have saw this 5-minute SMT, but market never confirmed that price wanted to move higher yet. We were kind of in this chop zone, so could have entered here, but Okay, actually, if you want to get a sweep out of these highs and reverse on the 5, which we already did by inverting that gap, inverted the gap, you have to come up for a retrace. Okay, we got the retrace and we have London lows below us. Just got to change order flow back to the downside. Okay, it's not looking good at all. So like right here could be an entry. So yeah, right about here would have been the entry. Loke could take this. Just take profit all the way down here. Stops above the 5-minute SMT. We just entered back into 5-minute bullish. Yeah, I cannot take that. And price, would it have stopped us out? Yup.
Guys, let's get into it. I'm starting this recording a little.
I wanted the word cuppa as in cup of tea, but I thought it would be great to mix with hug. One.
Did he take the same shit I marked out? I think he did, yeah. He did. You chew me up, you spit me out like this is now. Now look at me, this is a part of me. Yeah, dude, this already looks like dick. Okay, unless we do this, which is actually pretty nice. Okay, 5 minutes aligned there. Our swing low is here. I'm pretty sure we have an SMT. No, don't have an SMT. But we're gonna want to take a swing low, I believe, to confirm orders were filled. We're still in this hourly gap. Gotta pay attention to that. And that was data. Nope, not data. And then we immediately inverse there. This is low confidence. Still, I don't like it. The fact that we've been holding the hourly, the fact that NQ is remaining so bullish, just don't like it. Just don't like it. And we're chopping as well. Oh, jeez. Look at that chop. Now look at me, I'm sparkling. Okay, this is good draws.
Alright, boys.
He took a trade.
Girls, let's see what the fuck we can do.
Targeting fib levels. longs, probably an S&T, higher time comes bullish. Wait, what am I looking for? I mean, okay, I'm looking for longs. Yeah. SMT break. Indexes aren't aligned yet. Getting a good pullback. Potential SMT. ES is leading actually right now. Kind of chop work. This sucks. Yeah, there. Yep. Yeah. You know how it be, dude. So now it's like you're gonna trade against the higher time frame trend if you want to take anything. We actually inverted a 5 there, so that's potential. Gave a good pullback. These are equal, and these are an SMT, so we got an SMT there, and got a break there, never broke here. Just wait. Okay, invalidated that SMT, took those equal highs. Let's see if we rotate down now. Invalidated another SMT. This is a bunch of bullshit. Broke 5-minute back to the upside. I mean, shorts look good here, but has the main objective been taken? Oh, we entered 5-minute bearish again. It just, dude, I hate it. I hate it. I just wanted market to give me something that I would be proud of taking. None of this works. Man, this month just hasn't been too great. Yeah, dude, this already looks stupid. No point of even looking at the market. Can already just tell it's dumb as fuck. Okay, we got a huge rebalance after taking out huge draws. Wait. Okay. Inverted the 5-er. Never broke to the downside. There we go. Retrace. No SMT at the highs. Only problem is we're filling an hourly gap. Draws are pretty far away. But we took significant draws to the downside, which makes me feel that this sweep and reversal could be valid. Especially if we do something like this. Let's see if we want to change something here. So to me, this just looks like a sweep. Thank you. Okay, we're getting movement back into the markets. Alright. Yeah, let's toast. Okay, last day. Last day of October. Straight bullish on all time frames. Came down, took out one in those. Asia Asia lows are down here. So we're dumping, absolute dumper. Where are Asia lows? So this could be a 4-hour fill here. But it also could be sweep, break. I mean, right now I'm bearish. Right now I'm definitely super bearish on this. Broke to the downside. There's just not enough confirmation here. Inverse there. So if we close below all those lows, I'll be confident shorting. There's just no S&Ts. Yeah, there we go. There. Oh. Okay, it's fine. All I wanted was that closure because we filled the 5-minute gap. We were just showing not a lot of momentum towards the downside, but now confidence back in the market, and we have the high time frame target there. It no longer looks like just a 4-hour fill here, coming so deep into the gap. We did fill this 5-minute, so yeah. Extend OTP down there. Okay. I didn't go through the checklist. Everything was there besides the choppy market conditions. Yo, that's what it fucking was. Okay. Alright, boys. That was choppy market conditions. And on to the choppy market conditions. Okay. We ended the month green, I believe. What? 2K, 3K, 4.5K, and then Alexa, what's 750 times 4?
750 times 4 is 3,000.
So I've ended the month barely green. TJR actually somehow ended green. Let's see what the stats went up to. So win rate went down slightly, risk reward. Okay, so it's still shit, but we did a month, took our time. That month was bad for TJR as well, so if we just keep locking in the months, I don't think I've had a single red month yet. But if I just keep locking in, like if these months were how I did today, I think it would be super much better green. But yeah, boys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.